Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade. I'm coming at you with a card share video. Welcome to all my new subscribers and welcome to those who've been around for a while. Today I have some cards that I want to share with you, some products that I recently purchased. So if you're new to my channel, I no longer make craft haul videos. What I do is if I purchase something and I want to share it with you guys, I have to make something with it before I share it. So some of the products may have been around a little bit longer than others before I get to it. So this is just something I'm trying this year to make my time here on YouTube a little bit more enjoyable for me. So let's get started. So in this video, I used this and I've used this before. This isn't new, but this is from, I think it's AliExpress, this scallop die set. I'm also using the Waffle Flowers Sweet Lattice Sentiments. These are super cute because they have cursive and print within the same stamp, which I think is really cute. I'm also using, now this is new, this is the Honeybee Big Bowl Birthday Stamp and Die Set, and it's only 4 sentiments with the, and you can get the die set too, but I really like these. You have Make a Wish, Happiest of Birthday Wishes to You, Celebrate Your Big Day with Cake, and the more candles, the bigger the wish. And it cuts out really uniquely, so I'll share a card where I use one of these. Okay, and then I have the Spellbinders Fresh Picked Anemones. I think that's how you pronounce it, maybe. And this has been around for a couple of months, and I know you've seen it here on YouTube, but I think these flowers are so pretty, and I couldn't resist purchasing this. And I have a couple of cards to share with you. And then last month's large die of the month, which is called Classic Tales, super cute. It has the books and the tree and a house, and it cut out beautifully. So can't wait to show you what I made with those two. So speaking of that die set, the Spellbinders large die of the month for March, here's the first card that I made with that one. Isn't that cute? So this is for a friend who really likes to read, and her favorite color is black. So I think this is perfect. You have the book standing up. Then this stamp set is from Sassy LLC. She makes emergency card kit sentiments, I think twice a week. So you need to check out her channel if you're interested in that. Now with these sentiments, she has shared that when she cuts them out, she uses this punch, and it's the 1 3/4 punch. So I wrote Sassy on here, put it on here with my label maker so I can remember which punch cuts out these perfectly, because she gives you pages of them. And then I also use this 1 1/2 inch scallop punch. So that made this really pretty little sentiment here. And then I also used some gems from my stash. So also in that large die of the month set, it had the little house, and I just thought this was cute. I used you know, an embossing folder from my stash, and I just wanted to make this little house. And I can use this just for a note card or sending it to someone I found out has a new home. I think it's adorable. Really easy to put together. Next up, we have the cute, let's see, Waffle Flowers Sweet Cinnamon Set again. And then this is the Spellbinders Fresh Picked Anemones. I'm just saying that wrong, I know. And then I used some gems from my stash. This paper is actually 49th and Market Spectrum Gardenia Classic paper. And I just thought it was really pretty with the purple flower. And the paper that I use, that's not pattern paper, I usually get it from Joann. It's the basil paper. It's my favorite. And that's what I used here. Last but not least, here is the next card. This is a 5x7 card, by the way. And here's where I use one of those new Honeybee Big Bowl Sentiment. And I like the way this is one die cut out, and but it has these inlay cut and I really like that. So on the flower here, I'm cut an extra stem so I could kind of extend how tall this flower was. And then you can kind of see here where I added the additional leaf, and that's where I added the additional length on here. And I think it turned out really cute. I think I used my deco cutter to make that edging. And so here are my cards today. Let me know what you think below. Which one is, I always ask which one is your favorite, and then I tell you which one is my favorite. And so here are the cards, and I think this cute little one is my favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.